Now, let's turn to iPadOS. Our vision for iPadOS.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is your friend Shinobi, and in today's video I'm gonna tell you how you can get iPadOS 16 on your iPad Air 4. Well, with the new M1 iPads, a lot of things have been introduced in iPadOS 16, but most of them are not available for the other iPads. But you can still install iPadOS 16 developer beta on your iPads. So in order to do that, first of all, just open up your iPad and open up Safari on it. After going in Safari, go to the website called as betaprofiles.com. I will leave the link for this down in the description, so it will be a little easier for you to navigate. But yes, go to the website called betaprofiles.com, and when you visit this website, you will see that this website contains all the beta profiles for iOS 16, iPadOS 16, watchOS 9, etc, etc. Usually, in order to get the developer betas, you have to pay $99, but from this website you can get it for free. So yeah, go here and download the iPadOS 16 beta profile onto your iPads and then just save it. Now, after doing this, you have to do a few things. So once you have successfully downloaded the beta profile, just go into your settings. After going into your settings, go to the General tab. So after going into the General tab in your settings, you will find an option called as VPN and device management. Yeah, just scroll down and you will find it. Once you are inside VPN and device management, you will see an option called as configuration profile, inside which you will find a profile saying iOS 16 and iPadOS 16 beta software. So go inside here, install this particular profile on your iPad, and bam. Now the next thing you have to do is again go into the general options inside the settings, then click on software update. Once you click on software update, it will refresh and it will show you the iPadOS 16 developer beta option. It will show you the option to download it and install it. So just download it and install it like you would do for a normal software update, and once you install it, your iPad will have iPadOS 16. So I'm doing it on the iPad Air 4, and some of the main features are absolutely missing from it because those are for M1, like the stage manager will not be available for non-M1 iPads, and you will also wouldn't have the pixel density thing for non-M1 iPads, but rest of the things will be there. For starters, we have finally a dedicated weather app for iPads. Yes, and it looks similar to the iPhones obviously, but yeah, it is completely scalable to your entire screen and it looks amazing. It has everything that the regular weather app has, and you can access it from the widget itself, which is really nice. And yeah, the weather app is really cool and it was a long time coming, but unfortunately there's still no calculator app for iPadOS. Apart from this, you also get the fitness app for iPad, which doesn't have anything inside right now because this is a beta obviously. And you also have a new wallpaper with iPadOS 16 or iOS 16, which looks really nice honestly. And there's the new lock screen which you get, but in iPadOS the notifications are still in the same place, and you also don't get those customizable lock screen profiles and wallpaper engine and all that stuff. You don't get anything like that. Only the font and the font color will change whenever you change the wallpaper, which is like really disappointing, but yeah, whatever. Now for the M1 iPads, the stage manager is a really great thing because now it enables like full multitasking, like resizing windows according to your need and stuff, and having multiple windows open in the same screen, which is amazing. And when you connect it to an external display, it scales up to that display perfectly and you will be able to use it somewhat like a computer, which is excellent. But yeah, it is only available on the M1 iPad. It's not available for the iPad Air 4. Now the next thing that is present in here are customizable toolbars. So in apps like Notes, Pages and all that, you will have an option for customizable toolbars. So whatever tools you use on a regular basis, you will be able to log them on top of your screens for easy access, and you can remove them, add new ones and do a lot of things. So that is really nice. There's a new file manager in which you can change file extensions now, and you'll be able to see the storage of a particular folder, which is really nice. And in the Notes app, there's better option for find and replace for certain words, which is really nice. You have the new collaborations for messages and other things, and there's live captions for FaceTime now, which is very good. There's live text in video right now, and I guess it's for M1. And also, my favorite feature honestly of iPadOS or iOS 16 is to pick up any subject from any picture and make it a PNG, basically a transparent background PNG. And yeah, it is really fun, it is really useful, and it works very well honestly. So this is my favorite feature from here. And apart from this, you have shared photo libraries, then there are shared tabs in Safari. I am not able to show you all that because I don't have any friends, but never mind. There's also gonna be a new passkeys option coming to all Apple devices including iPads. So yeah, that's really cool, and it's a new thing which has not been introduced before, so which is really nice. And there's also going to be an app called as Freeform, which is going to be coming to iPadOS, and it will help you collaborate and make notes better with your friends or your colleagues, which is really nice. But it is not available right now. It will be coming up when the new OS launches with the new iPhones and iPads, I guess. And another very cool thing is that now you can edit and undo, like send messages from like iMessage or mails, etc. So you can edit an email after you have sent it, or you can unsend it, which is really nice honestly. And you can do the same for messages, which is amazing. So yeah, that's pretty much it for iPadOS 16 that Apple has announced. Yeah, I know it's not much. iPadOS has always been little underwhelming in terms of these updates, but yeah, if you have an M1 iPad, then it's really good for you. But for other people who have regular A series chip iPads, you will not get all the features as always. So I've been using iPadOS 16 on my iPad Air 4 for about a few hours now, and I've seen no performance drop as of yet. There might be a few bugs, but I have to test it out in the long run, and also the battery life, which I have to test it out. But as of right now, everything is working pretty well. But the app layout has still not been fixed. The widgets are still higher than the app, and it looks very weird, at least to me. So yeah, that has not been fixed yet. But yes, apart from that, everything is working really well, and I'm pretty satisfied with iPadOS 16 as of now on my iPad Air 4. So yes, that's about it for this particular video. If you found it helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button, and definitely subscribe to the channel by hitting that red button down below, and also hit the bell icon to stay notified about when you upload. With that said, this is your friend Shinobi, and I'm signing out. Peace.